So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So first thing first, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start with our overall trend on our gold. What can we say the overall trend on our gold is? We can clearly see that overall trend on gold is an uptrend move. This is our overall trend, an uptrend move. When you zoom it in, you will see the current trend. The current trend is also what an also uptrend move. Now guys, take a look at this movement right here. This is your higher high, this is your higher low. This can also be seen as the higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market was able to push up to form a new higher high right here. This is the higher low. So what market is doing currently, market is currently pushing up to form a new higher high. So we would expect market to continue that movement till it is able to completely form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your gold, you would want to be going for the buy. So a bullish move is exactly what we'll be expecting on our gold. Now, could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes. There's a possibility that there will be changes to this prediction. But if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll make sure I upload it. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.